Oh, hey guys. Frustration level 1000 today. Golly, between platform glitch and getting shaken out of a stock, today is just not the day. But I'm gonna do the video and share it with you so you can see that you're not alone. We're all in the same boat on this. Check it out. Well, guys, today let me get the first video. Today's not an eventful day. There's nothing that happened here. I'm at zero basically. I worked for free. Okay, I hate working for free because this is work that I should be paid for when I'm right, and I should lose money when I'm wrong. And today I was right twice, and twice I could have made very good money. Once I got crapped on because of platform glitch, and the second one I just got shaken out. And I'm gonna go over both of these here for you right now. And I see NSYS creeping back up here to VWAP, and I hate it because I was right once, I was right twice, right? And then I was chopped up a third time up in all this mess, looking for that big breakthrough VWAP and one of those huge candles to $7. I still think it might do it. It just needs some buying volume to squeeze these shorts out of their position. But I don't know. I really don't know what to tell you on that one. But let me get the NSYS trade first, which I do have recorded here live. We'll bring that over here real quick. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are my SPY puts. I swung some SPY puts, made some money on it. In at 45 cents, out at 69 and 48. So made a little money on that. And that's basically why I'm kind of like break even today, thanks to that. And my first win. Oh, wait a second. Oh. Watching to see if this NSYS is going to break VWAP on some volume. Let's see if it wants to. We might take a little trade here. Where's my mouse? Little volume perk on that. If I do take this trade, it's going to be very small size. 10,000 shares at 585 on the ask. Shorts are really trying to keep this thing down. If it squeezes over 6, it could go. But it needs to squeeze, and it needs volume. We got about 20,000 shares in the 580s there. It looks like it's getting knocked back down. I mean, I could buy the break of the VWAP, or I could let it pop over and then show it as support and buy a pullback. I've done both in the past, but this NSYS is just so choppy that it's really difficult. It's really difficult to get a feel for it. Like, this should have just gone, you know? It should have just gone here. All right, we're going to take it right there. We're going to jump in real quick there. Looks like we're going to get the squeeze. If we don't, we'll just stop out. Small loss. It looked like we were about to get it. We printed those 597s. My stop would be this area down here. It's really having a hard time getting up over 6. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. 599. Let's go. 11,000 shares at 6. Here we go. Here's the breakout. Let's go. Now, can it make the move? Where's the volume? Wow. Wow. It's having one hell of a time here at 6. Well, the more it holds this $6 area, the more I'm liking it. I'm thinking I'm going to add right here. Let's see if we get this pop. My stop will be under this wick here in the 5.9 in the under 590. Here we go. It just doesn't want to go. I'm gonna get out of it right there, honestly. It'll probably go now. I mean, it's holding that $6 area. I mean, I made like 2 cents, big deal. It's holding that $6 area, but I feel like it should have just gone. I mean, that's VWAP. It's been resistance. It was resistance here. It was resistance in front, you know, here, here on this candle. Like, I feel like it should have just shot up straight to $7 almost. Like one of those huge candles that we get sometimes. I mean, it's interesting if we get that 9 EMA to cross over VWAP and we get this steady increase in volume, but I'd have to be long already, and I'd still have to have my position, which was at $6. Here it goes. Not even there. There's a huge battle between, you know, bears and bulls here, and it's anybody's guess at this point what this thing's gonna do. But it's having one hell of a time, of a hard time, which I don't believe it should be having right here in this 16, 620 area. Like, they should have just shot up straight at least to 650 when we had this break, or at the very least when we retested VWAP here and went. I mean, I added to it there because it tested VWAP and held, but it's having such a difficult time at 615. That I can imagine a nasty flush candle down to like 550. Oh, here we go. Nope. Nope. Not yet. I mean, if it breaks the 620, it should go, but I'm obviously not going to jump back into this. I feel like it's a 50-50 chance at this point, and I don't like 50-50s. When it broke VWAP, I thought I had a better percentage chance of getting a big squeeze. So I didn't mind jumping in there and adding when we held it. I didn't mind that at all because I felt like that was a higher probability chance of getting the squeeze. But the more we just sit here at $6 and have that 615, 620 resistance, the more of a 50-50 I feel it is. 50-50 chance in working out. And I don't want to jump in on a 50-50. It's not, I don't like it. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable jumping in on a 50-50 because it's anybody's guess. You know, we might go to $7 or it might just flush down to 550. And I don't want to be in, you know, at $6 getting flushed to 550 because I got greedy and took a 50-50 setup. It's just that simple. The risk reward is there because I could probably make $1 a share on this, but I only have I think I only have a 50% chance of making that $1 a share. I feel like it should have done that in either of these 3 candles, and it didn't. And that's why I feel it's a 50-50 trade. I could be horribly wrong. And somebody also told me, no, you know, this is a 70% chance of getting that squeeze. But this is such a low float that I think it should have just gone instantly. Well, let's go ahead and get on with the rest of this video here. There it is. There it is. That's what I was afraid of. See? That's exactly what I was afraid of. That's why I bailed before it failed there. That's exactly the candle I was afraid of. And that's pretty conservative. It only made it to 566. Let's get on with the rest of the recap. So my first trade on NSYS today was here. We were holding the 650 area, which was a pre-market pivot area, and it was also a level on the daily chart, okay? So I got long 200 shares, 666, looking to add over $7 and take profits, you know, 750, 740, $8, okay? That was my plan. There I add, and then I go to take profit right there on that new high, but the little montage where I clicked to take profit was set to a different account of mine, so I couldn't, because that was a cash account and the cash in there was unsettled, so I couldn't take that trade, and I didn't want to take the trade on that account anyways. So I had to quickly cancel that, and then drop down menu, put the correct account in there, and then I tried to click sell, but I couldn't, because when I did the drop down menu, it didn't switch the account. It kind of just froze the box, and that was extremely frustrating because it cost me money. It cost me a lot of money because I was up like 200 bucks. Okay, I was up like 200 bucks, and I was going to sell. I was up a little over 200 bucks, and I was going to sell half. So I was going to easily make $100 or just right around there, and held the other 200, looking for the move up to $8. So from $6.85 to $8, I'm going to easily make over $200 on those last 200 shares, giving me a nice over $300 winner on that one trade. It would have worked out beautifully. However, that second sell wouldn't have happened. It would not have happened because the stock didn't make it up there, and we quickly flushed down. But I get flustered there, so you know, I sell out cheaper. I sold out at 707, I think it was 704, and then I set my stop on the last 200 at VWAP. And when we get this action here, right there, I close it out. And I'm glad I did, because this is what happened. This is what happened. See, I was in there on that flag, and we got that nasty candle from $7 all the way down to like 520, 530. Then I got chopped up a little bit in here, okay? So I gave back some of that profit, and I still had my profit from my puts. So basically, between getting chopped up here, giving some of this back, and then my CLVS trade, which was a heartbreak, getting stopped out of this one, put me basically at break even on the day. We had this real nice move here on this red to green move, okay, on CLVS. We continue to push, nice increase in volume. We pull it in, we start to hold 90 MA and VWAP. So I decide to get long in this consolidation, which is smaller volume. And then and my stop was 590, which is underneath all of this. And on this candle right here, all the way down to 580, I get stopped out 590-ish. So I get stopped out there. It quickly just puts its tail into 580 and shoots up and never looked back. Look at that move. All the way to 666 high a day, right up here. Frustrating. It's frustrating. It's a very, very choppy day. And these choppy days are the most frustrating. These are the days when one needs to know, decrease share size, be very specific on the plays that we take, and just play the risk management game at expert level. And that's what I've done today, and that's how I've managed to basically stay, at break even. This is like a non-event day. I did nothing today but work for free. Hell, I work for free right now in front of you guys, just because of how choppy everything is. Let's take a look at NSYS again and see what it's done. See, choppy. I quickly pulled the reins back on everything here, and I haven't taken any other trade other than the one you just saw me take right here, which I'm glad I read everything to what I believed would happen, and that's exactly what happened, and I got out of it unscathed. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. What did you trade? Entries and exits, strategy. Let me know. Let's chat about it. Drop that in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Definitely helps out a lot. Means the world. And smash the like button for me. Catch you on the next one.